Estrada. Wala si Ching, ha? Bakit wala si Ching? Sino ba? Some officers and director of the Filipino Seniors Club, si Lucy Kasumpang, sino pa ba nandyan na tiga-senior? Wala na. Wala na ba tayo nakakalimutan? Kenneth? Ha? Ha? Si Rose Empalmado. Ano ba ang foundation niyo, Rose? Nakalimutan ko na eh. Saan si Rose? Rose! Ano ba yun? Yung lady, Anahawan. Pasensya ka na, Anahawan. Tatagandaan ko na. O yung Mantaangan, wala na ata si Neil eh. Umalis na si Neil. And I want to call one by one the board of directors of the Forever Young. Please come forward. Starting with Dari Olvido, our Vice President. Dari. Mr. Rudolfo. Miss David Garcia. Miss Rey Jimena. Abia Jimena. Followed by Esther Biahe. Okay, Miss Manina Selga Chan. Ladies and gentlemen, together with the board of directors, they are the one who conducted and accomplished the initiatives of the Forever Young Senior Society. Together, we work as a team in order to overcome all the challenges, and we realize all the hopes and dreams of Forever Young. All FYSS success were the combined efforts of our board of directors and officers. At sila rin po ang mga kakandidato sa susunod nating eleksyon sa October 12. Kanya huwag po kayo mawawala at pamukha po nung nasabi natin dyan, tangan-tangan nyo yung journal natin, mag-renew na kayo ng membership nyo para makaboto. Sa October 12 po, botohan tayo. At maya-maya ho, i-announce natin yung guidelines niyan. At ang magsasabi ho ng rules and guidelines ng election natin sa October 12 ay ang chairman ng COMELEC. Ito po, si Renato Tio.
Maraming David, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat sa pagtiwala sa amin.
Salamat po sa inyong pagdalo sa Forever Young.
Good afternoon sa lahat. I hope lahat kayo nandito next month and every month of the year. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo ninyo lahat. Thank you.
I am David Garcia, don't forget, and we appreciate so much your monthly cooperation. Thank you.
The reason we are all here is to have fun. So FYSS also stands for fun.
We have to keep on dancing with all this group. Everything will be okay. Thank you.
All the accomplishments and initiatives of the Forever Young Senior Society will only be achieved because of the full cooperation and teamwork of our team, our board of directors, and of course, especially with your cooperation and support. Like itong mga dancer natin dito, hindi sila parating nababanggit, pero sila naman ang parating nandito sa dance floor. Saka yung mga, of course, nagpapasalamat tayo doon sa ating mga officer. Without them, hindi rin magiging successful ng mga initiative ng Forever Young. Magmula doon sa sekretary natin, si Angie, si Ruben, yung treasurer, yung mga auditor natin dyan, si Mandrique, sila Esme Almiron, yung mga tiga-Norman, sila Helen Mercado, yung mga officer natin dito. Maraming salamat po at bago po tayo magkahiwa-hiwalay dito, ay tinatawagan ko po ang designated COMELEC natin by virtue of a board resolution passed by our board of directors. Mga kaibigan, Mr. Fernando Salata.
Hello. Good afternoon to everybody. As our president have said that they have appointed or created a committee on election to be held on October 12, 2008 here at Vancouver Alpine Club. So it will be October 12. And 12 to 2. And the guidelines for the candidates, I suppose they are all, I don't know if they are qualified because it says here a regular member and 50 years old and above. I don't know if they are already above 50. Except Monina.
Ardita, kumusta na? Doktora, nakalimutan ka, pasensya ka na. Pasano si Doktora? Doktora, Eva, kumusta na? Tinatanong ko kayo lahat. Lahat ko rin.
And as chairman, I am authorized to appoint the secretary will be Mimi Reynaldo and member will be Mrs. Miguel.
Si Eva.
So, on Mr. Natura, maybe. And what we will do is that only one